Here in the desert, it's very hard to move, survive, because the sun all over the place. It's just too hot. Who's this? Where am I? I don't know. What the heck? There's a portal. There's a portal. Is that me? I'm ugly. There's these teleporters all over the desert. You stand on it, you go to a different location. I don't want to do that because this might be bad. Lack of water. Depressing. You know what? I'm going on there. Wasn't that bad. I mean, what is this place? Whoa. What is that? Holy crap. Oh my god. No, 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 no! No. What is your name? Tommy. Tommy. That's a fine name. Do you like this? You like me doing this? Well, are we safe? Because it's not really that hot here. Yes, it's safe. Okay. Well, should I just throw away this little teleporter? Yes. Yes. You like me. You like me, don't you, Tommy? Yeah. Well, I guess I'm staying here for the rest of my life. No more teleporter.